Just shut up. Hey, what's up guys, Russell here and I'm back with another video! Okay, so... yes, Brian. Yes, Brian, do you have something to say?
I hope we get many dupes.
What do you say?
I hope we get many dupes.
Ah, yes, indeed. So yes guys, today it is currently 12:30 AM. So I'm kind of dying. I just came back from work.
Corona!
So yes, you guys can see here I'm joined with my friends, obviously, but you know, hashtag social distancing. So we're not actually meeting. And yeah, and then you see over here we have James. Yeah, there's James. Can you say hi, James? Oh, there. You see the guy, the one guy with a camera, the only guy that's a good spot here. It's Jay. Yeah.
No, he's the only guy with a camera, bro.
And then here we have Ben, and everything is flipped lah. So yeah, Ben, and then there's Brendan, and then there's Brian, and here we have the very famous Subjectkpop. You guys may not believe that. You guys might think this is clickbait, but let me tell you, this guy is the real deal. Okay, this guy is the. This guy is he's actually a keyboard.
It's actually my second computer.
So anyways guys, what are we doing today?
Dying.
Okay, no guys, we are not getting a swab test. Today we are opening our more and more albums. Oh yeah, so basically we open our more and more albums. See, I have a few albums here. You guys can see I'm floor gang today, so I can't you guys can't see a lot of shit. So yeah, and I'm also speaking very softly because my father's about to punch my face. So this is version C. You guys can see this is, as you guys can see, this is version C.
Thank you, Russell. I can't see.
Oh yeah, okay, and then here we have version, oh shit, we have version B. I don't even know whether I'm saying it correctly, I'm guessing. This is version B, yes, it is black.
Can you prove to us this album?
Okay, so as you guys can see over here, there is the Comcast sticker with a very there is a unique ID to every single album. So shows that your album is legit. Yes. But yes.
Unsubscribe. Unsubscribe.
Okay. Anyways, let's ignore my friends now. This is version A. Okay. Look at the back. This is sick, dude. This is sick. All right. So just okay. Anyway, okay guys. I'll have 21 albums to open, and 6 I ordered from Interpark and with Drama. So I'll have 6 albums. 6 albums per version for Interpark and 1 album per version for with Drama. So it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter because everything is in the same box. But yes, first album. Okay. So, I'll probably just be cutting everything. I'll be cutting everything because this is going to take too long, and you guys can't even see anything. So, yeah. Okay, I'll show you guys the first 3 albums I opened. Okay, because content. Okay, so first pool. Oh.
If we sing song,
You sing is okay. Sing is okay.
Can we play some background songs?
No, don't play background songs.
So can you face your laptop to you? Don't face the laptop to the camera. Face
Okay. Alright, so this is the, I don't even know what they call this, but it is the postcard thing. Yes, it's the postcard thing. Yes, indeed. So very pretty stuff. 10 out of 10 will not tear. Okay, but we put the Dahyun CD on our first one. Very nice. How enthusiastic. Alright, and we got our pulls from the albums. The first one we have Chaeyoung. Nice.
I'm gonna come.
And the second card, I already can see the line of death.
Yes, yes.
It is a Jihyo card. It was on the same set. Very nice. Yes, okay. Sana, photo card. Oh wow! I actually put a unit photo card. Tuyeon. Tuyeon, very nice. Okay, Dahyun, very nice.
It's not the other hair for
For the coaster, we got Sana. And this is the more card. Wait, what is this called? It's called the more card, right? Yeah, this is the more card. Just a sudden realization that I'll have 21 of these. So yes, very good. Okay, so the photo book is very nice. I'll show you Zuri's page.
Never show the part.
Hold up. Okay, wait. I'll show you guys Zuri's page because Zuri's my bias. Zuri's my bias, and if you guys want to see the other pictures, you guys should buy the album. So I'm not gonna spoon feed you guys too much, but there you go. Zuri, look at that. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Secondly, we'll be opening up the version B. I'll be picking one right from the middle. Alright, let's see who we pull for the second CD. Boom! Gio! Yay, Gio! Okay, and then we got the exact same postcard, so we'll have 21 of these folding postcard things. Cool. Okay, let's see what we get for our album, for our cards. Oh yes. Firstly, we have another Sana coaster video
It's
here.
not called the more card, it's called the most card.
Oh, it's okay. Dahyun, very nice. It's a different one. Oh, Jonghyun. Oh my god, Jonghyun. Oh,
Yes.
oh my god.
That 44 scenario, 44 scenario. Your brain got water, bro.
Please let me do his video. We get all done. Cheong photo card, very nice. Ooh. Oh, we got our very first Mina photo card. And we got the most card. So James actually pointed it out that it's not called the more card, it's called the most card. Yes, the most card. Oh my god. It's another 20 more to go. And next, we have version C. Alright, so actually this album and version A are both white in color, but version A has the red color at the back. So yeah, apparently that makes the difference. Very good. I would expect something like a red color album, but instead it's just white.
They
But
give you
okay,
half lah.
whatever.
Take it or leave it.
Cheers guys, this is version C. And we'll see what we get from the CD. 1, 2, 3.
I can at least say something.
Oh, we got another Jihyo guys. We got a Jihyo dupe. Jihyo dupe guys. Alright, so this is our photo card pools.
He thought he don't have to edit our sheets out if you are not there.
Sweet.
Guess it's wrong.
We got the oh, we got a dupe Cheong. Very very nice. Oh, we got another Mina photo card. Nice. Cool. And we got another Sana photo card.
Ras. Where's Jonghyun, huh? 44
Oh
scenario.
shit. You'll not believe what coaster I just pulled, guys. Sana coaster.
Thanks for the donation, Russell.
Oh, and I put the first Nyon photo card. Yay! Okay, so I'll be holding the rest of my photo card album pools to later. So now I'll be doing you guys' album first. Who wants to go first? Who wants to go first? Jay, Ben, or Mr. Subjectkpop, which is 100% legit.
It's not just my second laptop.
Subjectkpop, do you want to say something? Okay, SK, do you want me to open your albums? Just say yes or no.
Open. Russell.
Yeah, okay. You guys hear that? That is the voice of Subjectkpop. He said
This is the last time he's gonna appear in your video.
he said open. Okay, SK. Do you want to choose your album or it does it not matter to you? Okay, doesn't
It's
matter.
not better.
Okay, doesn't matter. Okay, I'll pick your albums, okay? Okay, so now I'll be unboxing Subjectkpop's album. That's gonna be a title, by the way. So, alright guys, this is such an honor. this is such an honor. Alright guys, this is Subjectkpop's version C. I'm holding Subjectkpop's version C right now. 100,000 people album. I'm going to see this album, you know. It was in my hands. Think about it. Okay, first, SK.
What makes you think
SK. How much you want to thank me first? You say first. Okay, never mind. I'll skip the formalities. SK just put. SJ. Oh my god. Why is his PC on the first page? SK just put. Sana CD. Sana CD. So I put Subjectkpop bias on my first try.
Come here, house now.
You guys heard that? Subjectkpop's coming to my house, guys. Okay, guys. So this is Subjectkpop's photo cards. Boom. We have Zui. It's the same Zui. It's the same Zui photo card. Nina. Okay. Got Nyon.
Okay, that's another miss, James.
Got Sami G Cheng. Sami G Cheng. Sami G Cheng. And we got another Sana photo card. Very nice. And his coaster is Jihyo. Very good. Alright guys, so this is the aftermath of my album unboxing. Well, you guys can see I opened 21 albums and these are my pulls. You guys can see we have 8 different Nyons here. And we got 3 different Jongyons, literally just 3 Jongyons because I'm gonna die. 3 Momos, and I have 4 different variations of Sana. But you guys can see that this one has literally 8. Look at that, 8. Oh my god. And then we have Jihyo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 variations of Jihyo. And for Mina, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 variations of Mina. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And then Dahyun, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different Dahyuns. In Chaeyoung, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different Chaeyoungs. And for Tsuri, we have 6 different Tsuri, and we have a bunch of units that I don't even know whether I have completed all of them yet. We have a Jongwoo one over here. Tuyeon. Motsu. Unit for cards here. Oh, and we have this Sami, Cheji. Yes. Oh my god! And our coaster, we have everything but Chaeyoung and Momo. And our CDs, we have everything but Jonghyun and Tsui. So overall, I don't know what to feel about this. I haven't even counted how many cards I have. I don't even think this is 50, but yes. Anyways guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys like the video, do hit, oh my god. If you guys like the video, do hit the like and the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.